we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Good morning and happy 2025. It is January 1st and we're gonna have a productive day. I've been waking up at 6:30 for the past few months and it has truly been life-changing, not to be dramatic, but it has really helped me balance taking care of a household, working, and also getting in the things I personally want to do, like working out or just having slower mornings rather than like rushed, chaotic ones, and it's been so amazing. So today I'm going to take you along on my productive day. It feels like the perfect day for it. It's a new year, a fresh start, and I made a little plan for today. So I need to tidy up the house. I do that every morning. That's nothing new. I do have some laundry to do, which is the bane of my existence. I hate laundry, but we're gonna get it done today. And then I wanna go on a morning walk with Teddy. I try and get my body moving, especially being 8 months pregnant. I know it's so good for me, even though sometimes I don't wanna do it. And then we're gonna run some errands with Sam. He's off today, but he's gonna be like working around the house. So we're both kind of doing a lot today. So we have to pick up some tile because we're mid kitchen reno. And I need to get my niece her Christmas gift because we're celebrating Christmas tonight. And then I want to stop at Swig. I've never been to Swig, and it's like that. It's like a fountain drink place that has like all kinds of different drinks. If you know what it is, then you know what I'm talking about. They just put one in like close town. So we're gonna head over there. Then I need to do some organizing today, which I'm so excited about. I have to do some work, so I'll be filming a video and then I need to get some editing done. So lots of things on the to-do list, but I'm feeling good about them and I'm ready to get this day started. Every night before bed, we always make sure that the kitchen is clean, but last night I made some dessert and was meal prepping for postpartum, so we had lots and lots of dishes. So not only am I emptying the dishwasher per usual this morning, but I'm going to be filling it and running it all over again because it needs it. But thankfully the kitchen's already pretty tidy. let's get organized. Like I mentioned, we are mid kitchen reno. I don't know if you guys remember, but this whole space used to be like a closed off pantry. So we opened it up, so ignore the unfinished drywall, the tape. There's a lot going on, but we are so close to being finished because we added this whole coffee corner, which is what we're going to organize today. I feel like anytime I have a task around the house, I always want to do a fun drink. And around this time every day is whenever I have my electrolytes from Element. I first tried Element back in September and I have been obsessed ever since, and it feels so exciting to be working with them on today's video. If you're anything like me, I've always struggled to stay hydrated. I honestly just don't love the flavor of like regular water. So having a drink that has a delicious flavor and on top of that is helping me stay hydrated is a must in my routine now. I used to think electrolytes were for like hardcore athletes or people that work out every single day, but electrolytes are for everybody. It's so important to replenish your electrolytes daily. And since I've been drinking Element for probably the last, 3-4 months, I can tell such a difference. I feel like I don't have as much fatigue, and this definitely helps with all of my pregnancy leg cramps that I've been getting. Element can help prevent and eliminate headaches, muscle cramps, fatigue, sleepiness, or any other common symptom of electrolyte deficiency, which honestly, I wish I would have known about these like back in college. I feel like I definitely would have loved having my electrolytes in daily. I've added this into my routine since being pregnant, and I will not go back. I know not only postpartum will it be great, but it's just gonna be great for daily life. Me and Sam both have one every single day. My favorite flavor is the raspberry. It is so good. He really likes the watermelon and the citrus salt, and I just love that it has everything you need and doesn't include anything you don't. So that means lots of salt and no sugar, which was huge for me. Element contains science-backed electrolyte ratio, which is 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium, with no junk, no sugar, no coloring, no artificial ingredients, no gluten, and no fillers. It's literally just electrolytes. And right now, Element is actually offering you guys a free sample pack with any purchase from Element. That's 8 single serving packets with any Element order, whether you're a returning customer or a new customer. This is a great way to try all their 8 flavors, or you can share them with a salty friend. You can get yours today at drinkelement.com/Jaclyn. And this deal is only available through my link, so be sure to go to the link in my description box, and you must go to drinkelement.com/Jaclyn. And as always, if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back, no questions asked, which is great, but I promise you will be so satisfied. I can tell such a difference on the days when I don't have this. When we traveled to Atlanta for Christmas, I was sure to pack my electrolytes. I literally do not go anywhere without them. I always fill up my water bottle, and this is like my electrolytes water bottle. I've got 2 water bottles, and this one I always know is filled with some sort of electrolyte, which is really nice. So if you see me drinking this, you know I'm getting my electrolytes in. Now that we have our fun drink, let me show you the space that we're working with here, okay? Don't judge me, please. So we added this whole coffee corner in, and my vision was that this top drawer would be like our coffee, tea / drink drawer. So this is where I want to put all of anything that has to do with like our drinks, whether it's like pre-workout, electrolytes, coffee, whatever, straws. This is where it's all going. So we just need to organize this. I actually bought these bamboo organizers to organize this drawer, which I'm so excited for. So I think we just need to take everything out and then put things together and see what we're working with here. It is fully organized, and this is exactly what I had envisioned. So I need to refill this, but this is what I use in my coffee every day, is my honey and then my decaf coffee. We usually have another caffeinated bag that will go right here, and then our extra ground coffee, some iced coffee to go cups and sleeves, and then spoons, then our reusable straws, and then these are our throwaway smoothie straws. This is our frother / like blender. It's the best thing ever. And then now we're heading into like the health and wellness, we'll call it. We've got our electrolytes, all of my teas, and then I have like this little tiny just loose leaf thing that fits perfect in there. We have some daily vitamins, some other greens powders and such, pre-workout, and then some cleaning supplies for our coffee machine. And I feel like this is so practical and I am obsessed. I think it's gonna be even easy if we have like guests over and they want some tea, they can just open the drawer and everything they need is right here. There's one other drawer that I wanted to organize and it's our utensils drawer. I ordered some organizers off of Amazon and we do have some of these bamboo ones left over, so we'll see where else we'll use those. So let's go open those up and get that drawer organized. Also, if you're curious, I will have these organizational items linked down below and they're added on my Amazon storefront as always. So if you see anything in my house, typically it's on my Amazon storefront. This is the state of my drawer, so it is a bit of a mess. So I got these really long organizers and I think those will be super useful in this drawer. So let's just pull everything out. So I didn't realize that I'd even have that much space left over. It kind of bothers me that I'm using two separate organizing like containers. One are like clear and these are bamboo. I don't know if that's just me. Comment down below if that would bother you too. I feel like everything needs to look the same, but we're about organizing and practicality, not perfection. So I'm honestly so excited for this little thing because I always keep my garlic in here. I have no idea why. Where do you store your garlic? And this little thing is so perfect for them. And then I just put kind of all our taller stuff back here and then measuring spoons up here. So I think that will be really useful. It feels so good to have all of that checked off. So now we're gonna go run our errands to the town over. And like I mentioned, we're gonna go to Swig. Babe, come here. I wanna show you what Swig is. I'm not the biggest soft drink person, but Sam is. And I don't know if he'll love this place or hate it. I feel like he either wants it to be like just a plain Coke Zero or he could love all the add-ins and stuff. Let's see. Okay, I wanted to show you what Swig is. You go and it's just a soft drink place. It's soda, but then you can mix in anything you can think of. And then they have like curated drinks. So there's one that sounds really good to me. It's like Dr. Pepper, coconut cream.
I'm just like not sold. It's just,
I know.
it's a weird thing.
I was like, either he's gonna just want like a regular Coke Zero.
No, I'm gonna try something fun.
Okay, we got our Swigs. I got the Texas tab.
Big Booty Judy.
And we're gonna try it.
I asked the lady what her favorite was, and this is what she said.
Yeah, they didn't have a menu for us, so I went and looked it up. But this is Dr. Pepper, vanilla and coconut cream or something. It sounded like something I would like. I don't know. Mine is so good.
Ooh, that's nice.
Oh, mine's way better.
I would take mine.
Really? Okay, then that's good. Wow, that is so good. And I'm not like a big soft drink person.
It amazes me that there's a whole place crafts sodas like this.
It's very America. Okay, bad news is that we drove all the way out here and Home Depot's closed. So for lunch, we just decided to get Chick-fil-A. And Chick-fil-A sauce is my favorite, and I love to mix it with the sweet and spicy sriracha. You gotta try it. It's so good. We're back from running errands, and I guess I'll give a quick haul of what I got at Target. It's kind of really random and miscellaneous, but for my nephew James, I got this little like dog guitar. The boy that I watched in Atlanta loved this, and James is about at his age. And then I got JoJo these magnetiles. She already has some, and I know that she doesn't have these, so I thought this would be fun for like the winter time. And then we were at a game night the other night, and we played this game called Herd Mentality, and it was so fun. So I went ahead and got it. We love having good games on hand to play with friends or family. I got some cotton rounds because I was out of those. And I'm in charge of making mashed potatoes tonight, so I didn't have enough gold potatoes, so I got another bag since we are like 12 people, and I got some more butter and sour cream. Okay, so the plan is now that me and Sam are going to film our video. I'm gonna get some work done, and then we'll wrap these gifts and then do the laundry and then make the mashed potatoes before we leave. That's kind of like what I'm hoping I can fit in. Don't have a ton of time. It's almost 2 o'clock, so I'm really trying to like speed it up here, but I think we can get it done. I feel like we can. We're sitting down really quick to film. This is one of my like postpartum while I'm taking a break videos that's gonna go live. We're filming it in January, but it could go live February, March, April, we'll see. Do you like this angle?
Love the angle.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very special guest with me, my husband Sam. Honestly, we are going to be doing a married Q&A. We've been married for over 3.5 years now. Whenever I have a task like this, I feel like having something to listen to helps it go by faster and me enjoy it more. So what I tend to do is either listen to an audiobook or listen to like one of my Hillsdale courses, or sometimes just listen to music or a podcast. So today is an audiobook. I actually just started one and I'm looking forward to it. Since Sam is home, I'll just put my AirPods in and listen to it, and it definitely helps the time go by so much faster. I feel like that's like a duh thing, but these are one of those tasks that I just really strongly hate doing, and I'm trying to get better at it. It just feels like it's never ending, and sometimes there's beauty in the mundane. I just have to learn to see it. I am in the middle of like meal batching for postpartum, so I'm going to be making a huge giant batch, and then some of it I'll keep for us and freeze, and then some of it I'll bring tonight. So let's get to cooking, and then hopefully we'll have time to wrap some gifts before we leave, because I still have to do that. Okay, I finished up the mashed potatoes, so I'm just gonna bring them in this whole pot right here. I didn't get to wrapping JoJo's gift, but I did do their gift, so I can just wrap that whenever we get there. But overall, I feel like it's been a super productive day and also fun. I feel like it's important to have both of those balances. So don't forget to check out Element down below. With any Element purchase, you can get a free trial pack to try their 8 flavors, so I'll have them linked down below. They have so many amazing products, so good. I love their electrolytes. We're gonna head out in a little bit of a frenzy.
Yeah, please get Element. Like, it's so good.
It's so good.
So good.
He also drinks it every single day. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.